welcome back to another video by How to Tech Well. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the bell notifications on a YouTube channel. So first, navigate to the channel you want to turn the bell notifications off from using the search bar up here. I'm using the Jamie Oliver channel as an example. If you've already got the bell notifications turned on, this area here will be grey and you will have a ding ding animation around the bell icon here. So click on the bell and that will turn the ding ding off. That means you have turned off the bell notifications. If you want to unsubscribe as well, you can click the subscribe button and then click unsubscribe in this box. So you've now unsubscribed and turned off the bell notifications, meaning you have no more links to this channel and you'll no longer get any email notifications or phone notifications when a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much for watching. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel if you found it useful. Write in the comment box down below if it helped you and if you've got any other videos you'd like me to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!